I'm ready to make a fire outside in the snowstorm, which would be really hard if I didn't make those little bad boys. Those are some pull pin fire starters. So all I have to do is pull here. They should ignite. They should be burning in rain and snow and wind, and they should be burning for 10-15 minutes. So all I'm gonna do is make a little platform out of the snow where I put this. And above it I'm gonna stack wet firewood, and because this is gonna burn for so long, eventually it's gonna make a fire, hopefully. As you might have heard, all the wood there is really dry. Even though it was out in the snow, it's not like summer dry, but it is freaking dry. I think it's gonna be too easy of a challenge for my fire starters. So what I'm gonna do,
that's cold.
there you go, a bunch of snow on the firewood is gonna make it so much harder. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That is perfect. And now it doesn't go out anymore. Look at that. Can do what you want. Yeah, don't put it too much in water. But it will still burn in the rain and everything, right? I put it pretty much into the snow right here. It's still burning fine. All right. Put it in there. Covered in snow. Let's see how she does.